What's going on, guys? My name is Jeremy and this is J Payne Woodworking. So today I want to show you guys how to make a set of cornhole boards with something other than regular wood. There's a lot out there making them with plywood or pine. I wanted to use something different. So for these boards, I'm going to use leftover wall cladding that I used here in my shop. Now this is Thermarie wall cladding. It is true hardwood cladding. I don't know that I would use the MDF or the particle board cladding. Might be strong enough. I don't know. Never messed with it. This stuff, however, though, is extremely tough, and I thought this would look really cool. This is the drift spruce. This will be the upper color of the outside of the board. You'll see that in a minute. And underneath on the frame, I am doing a pine frame, but I want it to look better than pine. So to add a little bit of spice to it, I guess, I'm going to use this. This is their Ignite series that I have on the walls that is Sosugibon. I hope I said that right. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, let's just add a little flair to the bottom of the boards around the border. That being said, this is a lot of fun. It's going to be a really fun build. Let's get right into it.
One pair of pants later.
It's too late now to think about the pieces. I've waited long enough for you to change. We're falling down, but you don't wanna see it. Your actions say all that you need to say.
Let us begin.
Round 2. Fight.
Meanwhile,
So I made a pretty good mistake. Missing one key element. I got mixed up on my order of operations, apparently. Got a little ahead of myself. And skipped putting the hole in the board.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
It's kind of hard to play cornhole game without the hole. So I took the frame back off. I left it as one piece. I'm going to be covering this frame with some different material and mitering the edges. So I think this is going to actually be a little better. It's going to make it easier for me to build that covering over this frame and leave it as one piece that will go on and off here. I did mark this board in a couple of places and on the inside of the frame to make sure everything lines back up perfectly. So no issues. I just got to throw this on the CNC and cut the hole out and then cover this. So yeah, I messed up, but easy fix. Let's get back at it.
Have you lost your sense of direction? Obsessed over imperfection? Are you petrified of rejection? Would you try? Would you fly high through the rain? You won't go right.
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making these boards. If you want to show your support, head over to jpaynewoodworking.com. There you can find anything from products I make to gear to even the very V-carve files that I use to make these boards. You can get those, make these yourself, or even modify them and make them however you would like. But it's a great way to show your support and help me continue making these videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.